We've all imagined a future filled with intelligent machines, but few of us have truly pictured robots that can actually learn faster than humans. It sounds thrilling and a little scary at the same time, but that's exactly what's happening right now. The Tesla bot Gen 3, also known as Optimus, has become one of the most astonishing inventions of our time. With 26 actuators and a brand new hand design, this robot is capable of teaching itself around 100 new tasks every single day just by watching videos. It's an incredible leap in artificial intelligence. Think about it, if it can learn that many tasks in one day, imagine what it could do in a month or even a year. The progress would be astonishing. Elon Musk has already promised that by the time Tesla officially unveils this robot at their event in November, Optimus will be able to make breakfast, pack your lunch, and handle most household chores on its own. Instead of grabbing your phone to search for information or using ChatGPT, you'll simply say, "Hey Optimus, how's Tesla stock doing today?" and the robot will respond instantly in a voice that sounds like a real financial expert. If you want to see more, its OLED screen will display every detail you need. It's difficult to ignore how advanced this technology is. A robot that can talk, respond, perform different tasks, and cost just $20,000 is something that could transform everyday life. Musk believes the Tesla bot will eventually become Tesla's most important product, even more valuable than its cars. Still, for many people, the idea of asking a robot for help feels strange and far-fetched. Most humanoid robots we've seen so far have looked awkward and slow, doing little more than walking or waving. It's no surprise that people hesitate to spend thousands of dollars on something that seems like little more than an expensive toy. But Musk's vision is much bigger. He's confident that 80% of Tesla's future value will come from Optimus, not electric vehicles. Tesla sees this robot as a product that could redefine the global economy, ushering in a new age of physical AI where machines handle physical work while humans focus on creativity. Tesla's long-term plan is to manufacture millions of humanoid robots and keep scaling up until production reaches billions worldwide. Elon Musk believes that one day, there could be more humanoid robots than humans on Earth. These machines would take on countless jobs, from housework to factory labor, and could cost about as much as a small car. What makes Tesla's approach unique is its focus on the human hand. For Musk, the key to human intelligence lies in our hands. Over millions of years of evolution, our hands have become the most complex biomechanical tools on Earth. They can grip, twist, pull, press, and shape objects in countless ways. Recreating that complexity in a robot has been one of the biggest engineering challenges in history, and that's why Tesla's engineers have made the hands of Optimus their main priority. Elon Musk often compares his vision of Optimus to the beloved robots from Star Wars, C-3PO and R2-D2, imagining a world where every person has their own robotic helper. But while some people see this as exciting, others are nervous. The idea of robots that can think, learn, and move like humans raises fears of a Terminator future, where machines outsmart us or take our jobs. Musk insists that this isn't Tesla's goal. Instead, he says the company's mission is to solve labor shortages by letting robots handle repetitive or dangerous work. This would allow humans to focus on creativity, innovation, and personal growth instead of spending life doing dull, repetitive tasks. One of the most impressive abilities of Optimus is how it adapts to changing environments. Whether it's working in a home or a factory, it can handle unpredictable movements just like a human would. This adaptability comes from its advanced hands, which now have 22 degrees of freedom and 26 in the arm. Most commercial robots only have 5 or 6. Each finger can move independently, twist, bend, and grip delicate objects with perfect control. The system mimics the structure of the human body. Instead of bulky motors inside the hands, Tesla placed them in the forearms and connected them to the fingers through elastic cables that act like tendons. This design makes the hands lighter, faster, and more energy efficient. Force sensors inside each cable let the robot sense how much pressure it's applying, so it can hold an egg gently or tighten a screw precisely. Creating such precise motion requires extremely small but powerful servo motors that use permanent magnets made from rare earth materials. Over 80% of these materials come from China, and recent trade restrictions have made it harder for Tesla to source them. This has created real challenges in building Optimus, especially for its compact arms and hands. Despite that, Tesla keeps refining both hardware and software to bring the robot closer to reality. Now imagine what this robot could do in your home. You could wake up to breakfast already made, clothes folded, and the floors cleaned. Optimus isn't just a machine, it's designed to give you back your time. Musk believes robots like these will take care of the dull and repetitive work, allowing people to live happier and more creative lives. While some critics question whether the $20,000 price tag is realistic, many others believe that's a small price for a personal robot assistant capable of working 24/7. Before Tesla entered the scene, humanoid robots were seen as impractical. But since the company revealed Optimus, dozens of startups have jumped into the race. Some Chinese companies, like Unitree, even released cheaper versions such as the G1, which costs around $16,000. However, Tesla remains ahead when it comes to engineering and production. Optimus stands about 177 centimeters tall, weighs around 60 kilograms, and is powered entirely by electric actuators rather than hydraulic systems, making it quiet and safe for home use. As for endurance, Tesla claims the robot can operate up to 20 hours a day, but that's likely with multiple short recharges. Its 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery allows about 6 hours of continuous work before needing a 15 to 30-minute recharge. That's more than enough for most household tasks. What's truly remarkable is its ability to learn. By watching videos, the robot can understand and mimic human behavior. Instead of manually programming each motion, it observes and learns, just like people do. Show it a cooking tutorial, and it can prepare a meal on its own. Show it a cleaning video, and it can mop the floor. This self-learning system is what truly separates Optimus from all previous robots. Of course, there are valid concerns about safety and misuse. If a robot can learn from videos, it's important to ensure that it only learns safe, ethical behavior. Tesla says it's working on strict safety protocols, but the technology itself represents a huge step forward. The company plans to start by leasing the robots before selling them to the public. This will let businesses and households test Optimus while Tesla collects real-world data to improve it further. Tesla hasn't shared full details about its leasing plan yet. Some sources suggest it could cost between $1,000 and $3,000 per month, though nothing is confirmed. For now, Tesla will begin testing the robots in its own factories to see how well they perform in real environments. Other companies, like SoftBank with its Pepper robot, already use leasing programs for around 55,000 yen a month, which includes support and maintenance. Engineered Arts, which created the realistic robot Mecha, also offers flexible rentals for exhibitions and events. Tesla may follow a similar path once Optimus is ready for commercial use. The key question now is whether Tesla should reveal detailed leasing terms early to build customer trust or wait until the robot is fully tested and ready. Either way, the excitement surrounding Optimus is enormous. This robot isn't just another gadget, it's a symbol of how artificial intelligence is stepping into the physical world. Whether it's helping you with dinner, cleaning your home, or giving you information at a glance, the Tesla bot could change life as we know it. Elon Musk calls it the future of labor and one of the most transformative products ever made. Whether we're ready for that future or not, one thing is clear: the age of intelligent humanoid robots has officially begun.